Now we come to the main focus, the heart of our lecture today, the diagnostic approach using the FIGO classification system. It was introduced, as I said, in 2011. This is I can call it an elegant framework that I want you to internalize and use every time you evaluate a patient with abnormal bleeding. PALM-COEIN is an acronym representing 9 potential causes of abnormal uterine bleeding. The first 4 represent structural causes, meaning identifiable physical pathology. So the P is for polyp, A is for adenomyosis, the L is for Leiomyoma, or commonly known as fibroid, and the M is for malignancy and hyperplasia. The next 5 represent non-structural causes, meaning functional or systematic disorder. C is for coagulopathy or bleeding disorder. O is for ovulatory dysfunction. And E is for endometrial disorder. The I is for iatrogenic or medication or related causes. And the N is not yet classified, which include rare causes. The beauty of this systematic classification is in threefold. First, it is systematic, assuring comprehensive evaluation. It is universal, adopted globally for research and clinical practice. And finally, it is clinical, clinical, directly guiding our diagnosis approach and investigation strategy. So, when you evaluate a patient with abnormal bleeding, systematically work through the PALM-COEIN. PALM-COEIN. This framework assures you don't miss any important diagnosis.